Are you tired of students losing interest halfway through your lessons? Imagine having the tools to keep them engaged and inspire them to achieve their best. In this session, I'll show you how to transform your teaching materials from boring to brilliant, unlocking a new level of engagement and learning success. Why this matters: teaching in the vocational education sector isn't just about imparting knowledge, it's about preparing students for the real world. Engaging learning materials is the foundation of this preparation, ensuring students are attentive and motivated to apply their skills meaningfully. In this session, we will explore how to design materials that captivate attention and keep students involved. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on valuable content designed to help you excel as a technical, vocational education and training professional. Also, check out my website for various blogs and free resources. The link is in the description below. Let's get started and revolutionize how we teach. To create truly engaging and effective learning materials, it's essential to master these 5 core competencies. 1. Creating inclusive materials. Ensure your materials cater to a diverse range of learners, considering different learning styles, abilities, and cultural backgrounds. Inclusivity makes learning accessible and fosters a sense of belonging among students. By addressing barriers to learning and incorporating multiple formats, such as visual aids, hands-on activities, and digital resources, you create an environment where every student can thrive. 2. Evaluating effectiveness. Regularly assess whether your materials achieve their goals. Use student feedback, performance metrics, and peer reviews to identify areas for improvement. Consistently analyzing outcomes helps to refine your materials, allows for adaptations that meet evolving learner needs and ensures continuous alignment with industry expectations. 3. Technology integration. Incorporate digital tools and resources to enhance learning experiences. Technology can make complex concepts easier to grasp, from interactive simulations to multimedia presentations. Leverage learning management systems, virtual reality applications, and online collaboration platforms to create dynamic, interactive, and scalable student learning opportunities. 4. Customization for vocational needs. Tailor your materials to meet the specific vocational training demands. Focus on real-world applications and industry-relevant scenarios that prepare students for their future careers. This includes incorporating case studies, hands-on project tasks, and direct input from industry professionals to ensure authenticity and applicability. 5. Regular updates and improvements. Stay current by revising your materials frequently. Align them with the latest industry trends, standards, and feedback to ensure they remain relevant and effective. Establish a routine review cycle and utilize resources like professional development courses, industry publications, and student insights to keep your content fresh and impactful. Mastering these competencies will enhance your teaching effectiveness and leave a lasting impact on your students' learning journeys. By embedding these practices, you elevate the learning experience and contribute to a more skilled and confident workforce. Step-by-step implementation guide. Transforming your teaching materials doesn't have to be overwhelming. Follow this structured approach to develop resources that truly make an impact. 1. Material development workflow. Start by outlining clear objectives for your materials. Identify your desired learning outcomes and map out the key topics and activities supporting those goals. Break the process into manageable phases: planning, drafting, testing, and refining. Each phase should include a feedback loop, allowing you to continuously incorporate insights from students, peers, or industry experts to enhance your content's quality and relevance. Having a clear roadmap ensures that every step is purposeful and leads to cohesive, impactful materials. 2. Tools and resources needed. Equip yourself with the right tools to streamline the development process. Use graphic design software like Canva or Adobe Spark to create visually appealing layouts, ensuring your materials are functional and engaging. Leverage online collaboration tools, like Google Workspace or Microsoft Teams, to gather real-time feedback and facilitate seamless communication with colleagues or stakeholders. Additionally, explore open educational resources for inspiration and supplementary materials that can enrich your teaching. Don't underestimate the value of professional development courses and online tutorials to refine your skills and maximize the potential of these tools. 3. Common pitfalls to avoid. Avoid overloading your materials with unnecessary details or jargon, which can overwhelm students and dilute the key message. Instead, focus on clarity and conciseness to ensure concepts are easily understood. Do not neglect student feedback. It's a critical resource for identifying what works and what doesn't. Ignoring this input can lead to disengaged learners and missed opportunities for improvement. Lastly, don't skip the testing phase. Evaluating how well your materials resonate with your audience is vital. Conduct small-scale trials or pilot sessions to refine your approach before full implementation, ensuring your resources are as effective as possible. 4. Time-saving techniques. Maximize efficiency by reusing and repurposing content. For example, adapt existing slides or worksheets for new lessons instead of starting from scratch. Use templates to maintain consistency and save time on formatting, and create a personal library of reusable assets like graphics, charts, or case studies for quick access. Automate repetitive tasks, such as grading quizzes, using digital tools like Kahoot or Quizlet. Consider batching similar tasks, such as creating multiple lesson plans, to streamline your workflow. Implementing these techniques frees up more time to focus on innovation and student engagement. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll create high-quality teaching materials that are both impactful and manageable to produce. With a structured approach, thoughtful resource allocation, and strategies to optimize efficiency, you're on your way to revolutionizing your teaching methods. The impact of these materials will enhance your classroom effectiveness and inspire your students to achieve their fullest potential. Industry connection tips. Building strong connections with industry is essential for ensuring your teaching materials remain relevant and impactful. Here are some strategies to bridge the gap between education and the workplace. 1. Building industry partnerships. Forge relationships with local businesses, industry associations, and trade organizations. These partnerships can provide invaluable insights into current trends, skill demands, and workplace expectations. Collaborate with industry representatives to co-develop training modules or invite them to conduct guest lectures. These efforts enrich your content and create networking opportunities for your students. 2. Gathering workplace insights. Stay informed about the latest industry practices by engaging with professionals and visiting workplaces. Conduct surveys or interviews with employers to gather feedback on what skills and knowledge they value most in potential hires. Use this information to tailor your teaching materials, ensuring they align with real-world requirements. 3. Keeping content relevant. To maintain relevance, regularly update your materials to reflect technological advancements and emerging trends. Participate in industry conferences, webinars, and workshops to stay ahead of changes. Additionally, subscribing to trade journals and newsletters can inform you about sector-specific developments that should be incorporated into your teaching. 4. Real-world application examples. Incorporate examples and case studies from actual workplaces into your teaching materials. These can include success stories, problem-solving scenarios, or innovative practices that illustrate the application of theoretical knowledge. Real-world examples make learning more relatable and help students see the practical value of their skills. By integrating these industry connection tips, you enhance the quality and relevance of your teaching materials and prepare your students to excel in their chosen careers. Strengthening the link between education and employment ensures your efforts contribute to a skilled and adaptable workforce. Technology Integration Guide. Integrating technology into your teaching materials can significantly enhance learning experiences. Here's how to make the most of digital tools in your vocational education practices. 1. Essential digital tools. Equip your toolkit with applications that simplify content creation and engagement. Tools like Canva allow you to design visually appealing presentations and infographics. Platforms like Kahoot and Quizzes are excellent for interactive quizzes and assessments. Consider using tools like Trello to organize and manage resources efficiently. 2. Accessibility considerations. Ensure your technology supports all learners by incorporating accessibility features. Use tools that allow for captions, transcripts, and screen reader compatibility. When designing content, choose high-contrast colors and readable fonts to accommodate visual impairments. Test your materials on multiple devices to confirm usability across various platforms and ensure an inclusive learning experience. 3. Interactive element creation. Engage students by adding interactive components to your teaching materials. Use apps like Padlet for collaborative brainstorming or Nearpod to create interactive lessons with polls, quizzes, and 3D visualizations. Embedding videos, clickable diagrams, and virtual tours can make abstract concepts more tangible and engaging. 4. Platform recommendations. Choose the right platforms to host and deliver digital content. Learning management systems, LMS, like Moodle or Google Classroom are ideal for centralizing resources, assignments, and communication. Platforms like YouTube or Vimeo provide easy access and video content sharing options. Additionally, explore webinar tools like Zoom or Microsoft Teams for live, interactive sessions. You'll create dynamic and inclusive learning environments that inspire and engage your students by effectively integrating technology into your teaching practices. Leveraging these tools improves content delivery and prepares students for the tech-driven demands of today's workforce. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points we covered. Engaging learning materials, why creating captivating resources is essential for student success. Core competencies, mastering inclusivity, evaluation, technology, customization, and continuous improvement. Implementation guide, step-by-step workflow, tools, and strategies to streamline your process. Industry connections, building partnerships, staying relevant, and incorporating real-world insights. Technology integration, using digital tools, accessibility features, and interactive elements to enhance learning. Join our community of educators by subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications. Let's work together to raise the technical, vocational education and training standards worldwide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this content if you found it helpful.